Hello, welcome to our channel, and today we'll talk about our update, mass text creation using artificial intelligence. Just a reminder that our PIM system already had a tool that allowed text creation based on existing attributes. Previously, it was only available in the single mode interface and could creating text only for one product at a time. However, we've gone further and created a mass generation tool with no quantity limitations. As many products as you have in your system, that's how many text attributes you can create for them. Let's see how it works in the PIM system itself. First, let's recall how it was before. To start, we need to enable the use of IE for the attribute in the information model. Find the desired attribute and activate option. Go to the product card for which we need to create a description, navigate to the attribute and click the IE button. In the pop-up window, choose the language for the text, adjust the prompt, select the attributes based on which the description will be generated, and add stop words we don't want to see in the text. Set the creativity level and click Generate. As a result, we get a ready text could be transferred to our attribute. With the latest update, there is no need to go each product for generation. Just choose the category, select the products for which we will create text, and click the I button in the toolbar. Here, choose the variable attribute, then proceed as a single product, select the language, adjust the prompt, choose the attributes based on which the description will be generated, and stop words, set the creativity, and click Generate. The task execution process can be tracked in the task section, and after completion, the generated text will appear in the selected products. Using IE in the PIM system as an automation tool will allow you to create text faster, eliminate errors in the content, and achieve the consistent style of your product descriptions. In 2024, we strongly recommend you transferring as many tasks as possible to automatical neural networks and leaving yourself more time for important tasks. Thank you for watching this video, subscribe on our channel, and stay updated with our developments. Wishing you a great content and see you!